Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight we're coming at you with the random for box number 1 of 2013 Panini Contenders Football. All names have been entered into random.org. I'm going to randomize 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright. Put these into the spreadsheet. And away we go, guys. Blair, let me check on that. You bum. It's gonna reprint it. Paper's stuck together, guys. Alright. Blair, you are not. You are in Contenders number 2. Okay, that's better. Jason W. with the Cardinals. Shoei with the Falcons. Ron with the Ravens. Terry with the Bills. Jacob G. with the Panthers. Shannon S. with the Bears. Shannon with the Bengals. Justin L. with the Browns. Jacob with the Cowboys. Shoei with the Broncos. Ron with the Lions. Jason with the Packers. Shoei with the Texans. Will with the Colts. Casey with the Jaguars. Justin with the Chiefs. Justin M. with the Dolphins. Ron with the Vikings. Bryant with the Patriots. Timothy P. with the Saints. Chris M. with the Giants. Justin M. with the Jets. Casey with the Raiders. Bryant with the Eagles. Chris with the Steelers. David with the Chargers. Timothy with the Niners. Ron with the Seahawks. Will with the Rams. Shoei with the Bucks. Terry with the Titans. And David with the Redskins. There you have it, everyone. Don't forget to check us out at www.thecasebreakers.com. Follow me on Twitter at thecasebreakers. Boom, baby.